Ladies and gentlemen, we have three stocks to break down in this video, all of which are on the verge of breaking out, at least the way, I'm seeing it based on my opinion here. So we're going to break down the charts for these three stocks, what I'm looking to do, entry, exit points, all of that good stuff. And guys, these three stocks are for trades, not for long-term investments. I'm looking at these as, maybe a 1, 2, 3 week type of swing trade, that type of deal. So let's break into, what am I saying? Let's get into the video here, guys. Hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and you might as well get up to 15 stocks for a moo while the deal lasts. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/moo with at least a $100 deposit. Again, you get up to 15 stocks and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, come on, that's a no-brainer. So again, use that link and let's dive right into the video with stock number one, which is it's not on the screen right now, but it will be in a second here. It is ticker symbol ARM, also known as ARM Holdings. And at the time that I'm making this video, guys, it's trading at $138 per share, up around 1.3%. And what are you noticing here, guys? Well, we got hit very aggressively from $188 in the middle of July all the way down to $100 per share. Actually, we got down to the high 90s here. I think the low was at $96 per share, which is nuts. So essentially, in about a month, a couple of weeks, this stock almost cut in half, right? We're talking a 48% drop in ARM stock, which is crazy. It goes to show how volatile these stocks are, right? And since that point where for now we bottomed at about $96 per share beginning of August, about a month and a half ago, since that point we are now popping off the bottom of this channel. It looks like the uptrend is continuing here, and as of the last couple of days, ARM Holdings has broken back over the moving averages. As you guys can see here, that happened, it looks like, on the 12th of September. So we broke back over the moving averages, and we have a golden cross, which keyword is could signal more upside here in the short term and kind of a reversal in trend. That's kind of what a golden cross signals. Let me actually specify a reversal in trend to the upside, right? A golden cross is whenever a smaller time frame moving average crosses above a larger time frame, which is happening in this case. So I'm not saying for sure ARM Holdings is going to break out all the way back to the recent highs, but it looks like momentum as of now is starting to build, and we can see a wide open window right here all the way back towards 180, 190, towards $200 per share, which again, it's not guaranteed. Do your own research, but if this trend continues, man, I really like ARM Holdings as a swing trade right here, as the confirmation of a breakout is pretty much here, guys. The proof's in the pudding, right? This looks really good overall. So I'm going to set my alert at 100. I'll put it at $140 per share right now. I'd like to trade this thing maybe back up towards 160, 170, in that ballpark. So ARM Holdings looks really good as of right now. And Shopify looks like it's on the verge of breaking out as well. Ticker symbol SHOP. Let me see right now, guys. It's currently trading at $75 per share, roughly, up around 0.5% at the time that I'm recording this video. And you'll notice we're getting awfully close. We're pretty much at a big resistance on the chart, being about $76, $77, $75 per share in that window. We actually got rejected there in the beginning of May, end of August, and now in the middle of September. That's where we're trading, right? So in layman's terms, if Shopify could take out, let's say, $78 per share, I'll set my alert there right now, this could be running probably back to the mid low mid 80s in my opinion, $84, $85 in that ballpark. That is actually the high it looks like from the end of March. Then if that were to break, we could be making that shot back to the low 90s, which baby steps, guys, baby steps. Let's not get too excited, but that's kind of what I'm watching out for here on Shopify. As I almost forgot, we have a clear cup and handle. Do you guys see the cup and the handle? You notice that right here, cup, handle. So if we're able to get out of this point, 77, 78, the cup and handle plays out. Breakout could be coming from there again. Move all the way up to $84. Then if that were to break, like I said, maybe even higher. So I'll set my alert right now. Mark is at or above $84 per share on Shopify. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, by the way, run the likes up. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. I think 50% of you guys, which is nuts, watch the videos, but you don't subscribe. I don't know why. So make sure to subscribe if that's you. And the last one here is Meta stock, ticker symbol META, which, guys, this looks like it's on the verge of exploding. So we see a clear resistance at about 530 to 540 bucks per share, which this stock's been struggling there all year. You guys noticed that, right? All year at that point. After we looks like we ripped all of January heading into February. If you guys notice that, we saw a huge move in the first 2 months of the year, and it's been flat since, right? Which happens. It's traded sideways after going up a ton over the last couple of years, and now we're getting into an ascending triangle, getting closer to this 540, 545 resistance, which, if you guys didn't know, if an ascending triangle plays out, a breakout could be coming, and this could, well, be going to all-time high. So I'm really liking the way Meta is setting up here with the ascending triangle. And on top of that, let me set my alert at 545 before I forget. On top of that, we have a clear-cut cup and handle, right? Cup, handle, which, like we saw on Shopify, if that plays out, boom, more upside could ensue, right? So I like the way these three stocks are setting up here, guys. And again, these are not for long-term investments. Not to say they're bad long-term investments. They're actually pretty good, all of them. But for the sake of this video, I'm looking at them as trades right now. And yeah, I'm looking to capitalize on the short-term fluctuations of these stocks, which is risky. You all know that. We can't obviously fully predict what happens in the stock market ever, especially in the short term. But that's why we wait for the alerts, the alerts to hit, the confirmation of the breakout, for the indicators to flash the right signals, right? So yeah, I'm watching Meta, I'm watching Shopify, I'm keeping my eyes peeled on ARM Holdings, and I'm excited about these guys in the short term. And full disclosure, I don't own any of them yet, but I'm getting awfully close to owning these as trades. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. I'm very curious what you think about these three stocks. Make sure to hit that like button and to subscribe. And don't forget to check out the mailing list, where I'm actually sending you guys my top 3 stocks for free right to your email every single Monday morning. All you guys have to do is use that link down below, put your first name and your email address, and I promise no spamming, no BS, just straight up stocks and charts. And don't forget to also snag up to 15 stocks for a moo with at least a $100 deposit, and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY for now. Use that link down below, or go to stocksurfest.com/moo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.